taking video?
Yeah. I'm filming this. This is crazy. Whoa, look at this big boy.
You're crazy. Can you imagine? I don't even want to. I think it would be a quick guy.
My God.
So who's going in?
Buck's going in.
I'm not
Buck's
going in. I'm not going in. Look at this. This guy is a dinosaur.
Yeah. That guy looks big.
Sound like somebody just fell in.
Corelli!
Where's Joel? Ooh, there's another big guy.
Mom, look at him.
Oh, look at this guy coming up.
Not lucky.
Big
Yeah, we'll be lucky. He's a big boy.
That's a big boy right there.
Look, here's the biggest one.
Where's the biggest one?
He's got the weight on his back.
That one and this one probably about the same.
Yep.
Look at him on this wall. Oh, look at that. Another head drop. This is why people stay away from the small people.
Yeah, you fall in there.
You're done.
You are absolutely done.
Let me swim me through this right now.
I got big one, big one, big one.
I'm calling gators. It's a gator call.
Is that why they're here? Because you called them?
Eat 'em up, gators. Eat 'em up.